Hey everyone, want to create a Pinterest collage that really stands out? Today, we are going to show you how to make a Pinterest collage that grabs attention and boosts engagement. Let's get started. Pinterest collages are interactive and creative pin formats that let us cut out, arrange, and combine objects from different pins into one shareable image. These are available on iOS and Android. With these digital mood boards, we can visualize ideas by isolating, resizing, and layering items. This makes them great for fashion, home decor, and DIY projects. The main goal of a Pinterest collage is to bring together several images, ideas, or inspirations into one eye-catching pin. Collages help us tell a story, show off products, and share ideas in a single pin, making our content more engaging and easy to share. They work well for DIY projects, fashion, recipes, and more. Now let's see how to make a collage on Pinterest so anyone can follow along. First, open your browser and go to Pinterest.com. Once we are on Pinterest.com, we will see the toolbar on the left side of the page. Look for the Create button, or it might say something similar. Click on this button, and it will take us to the next step. Here, we will see Collage, or a similar option. Click the red Create button. When we click it, a pop-up will appear with options to create a pin, a board, or a collage. We will choose the Collage tool. At the bottom, we can pick a background. We can use the default colors or choose our own. Next, we can add text. We can also add stars, drawings, and images. For example, let's add this image. We can add as many pictures as we want. Let's put these 2 pictures and adjust them, making them smaller if needed. We can add more pictures and place them anywhere on the collage. When we are done editing, click Next. Then, add a title, add a description, and choose where to save the collage. Add any extra text or notes if needed. After filling in these fields and adding titles and descriptions, we are ready to publish. The collage will now be published. That's how we make a Pinterest collage. With just a few images and some creativity, we can create pins that capture attention and boost engagement.